Hello, this is for exponential function, question number 9. Earlier, we just solved the problem using by hand, okay? But now this time is using a technology or Desmos. So now they gave us the graph, okay? They gave us the graph. It's from left going down. So we just need to match which graph that match that, okay? So letter A, let's look at letter A. It says here, P of x equals 0.25 raised to x. Okay, so that's the graph that matched that. Okay, looks like this is the answer. Okay, how do I know? Because my number here is 1. I don't need to write the 1 there. It matches my y-intercept, and then my number here is less than 1, and the graph is from up going down to the right. Okay, now but let's verify with the other number here. Okay, so letter B, it says P of x equals 2 parentheses 0.5 raised to x. Okay, like I said, it's black, color is black, so intersection is 2, but the answer is not like that. The graph doesn't look like that. Okay. Next letter C is 1.25. Yeah, 1.25, and there's no number here. Here we go. It's backwards. Okay. Letter D is 25. It's also wrong. So the answer here is letter A. Okay. It's very obvious. It's letter A. Okay. Let's go to question number 26. On question number 26, it's the same thing. You just need to use those given equation or exponential function and then verify the table. So the first letter is F, V of x equals 9,000 parentheses 1.1 raised to x. Okay. Now I need to look at my table. So let me verify that. It's going to be 1, a 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's what they ask for to do. So letter F, 9,000. That's correct. The first set of pairs, 0, 9,000. The second is 1 and 9,900. So it doesn't match. Okay, so now let's go on with letter G because it doesn't match. Okay, let's change this letter G. It's 9,000 also for A, but for B is 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Let's match the tables. 0 and 9,000, 1 and 8,100, 2 and 7,290, and 3 and 6,500. So letter G is the one that matches. All right. Let's go on to question number 36. Although on question number 36, they didn't ask us what to do, it's just a drop down menu. Okay, but you need to know also, if you see this type of graph on the star, try to plug into Desmos and see what's going to happen. 1.3 raised to x. All right. So the graph is from left to right is increasing and it intersect on 19. So that's the y-intercept. So that's the number that matched this. And since this is greater than 1, so my graph is going from left going up or increasing. Thank you.